All kinds of awesome trails here at this nature preserve kind of joint. We got a pond over there. They're teaching a class, so we got booted out. But there's so much I'm going to show you guys here today. I'm here with Regan, Live, Laugh, Love. She's over there tending to baby Michael because he's doing his baby Michael thing. So where are we at, Regan?
We are in Nashville, Tennessee at the Nature Center here at Edwin Warner Park.
Edwin Warner Park. I've been forgetting that all day long. Hi, baby Michael. Look at the camera.
Yeah,
I'm used to having the camera all the time.
Working with children is unexpected.
Well, Regan is showing us around this park a little bit. It's absolutely beautiful here. We're going to do a lot of exploration. How often do you come here?
Every week.
Every week?
To sweat my tail off.
Yeah, you can see I'm perspiring. Regan is perspiring. Baby Michael's already shirtless. I don't think I'm going to be shirtless today, but you never know. Bubbles. We are on the nature trail just yet. There's a cool pond behind us. It's kind of a scummy pond. They have high school classes coming through here, and they teach them about the water and the sediment that's on top of the water, all the pond scum and that sort of stuff. Talk about the sorts of animals that come into the pond and around this nature preserve. It's pretty cool stuff. We got a chance to sit in and listen to it for a moment. Needless to say, we were told not to film, so I listened this time. No trespassing. Nah. Teacher tells you not to film. See, I'm a teacher's pet. What can I say? Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. 15. 100. That was dumb. There are kind of tiny little fishies in here hanging out. We got baby Michael behind me. You probably can't see him because I think he's chilling out back there, checking out all the kids' stuff. Hey, baby Michael. He doesn't want anything to do with me. Hanging out in the Warner Park Nature Center. This place is gorgeous. It has all sorts of taxidermy, so you can get up close and personal with many of the animals that you can see here on the nature preserve. They also have all kinds of stuff talking about water and the trees and the land and the dirt. You can really learn a lot about this nature preserve and the local area here in Tennessee by checking this out. It's really cool stuff. I'm having a fun time. We are heading out. Thank you so much, Regan. The link is in the description. Make sure you go check out Regan's channel. Regan Live, Laugh, Love. You won't regret it. It's awesome. Heck, if you want to just see a great mom doing great things with her kid, or learn about sugar-free cooking and cooking for kids, it's good stuff.
Toy reviews.
Toy reviews. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, Regan. It's been awesome. Man, it is hot in the sun. There's no doubt about that.
Tennessee.
That's right. As you guys may be able to tell from my fro right now, it is a little bit humid, but Monica and I are going to brave it. We're going to go down and check out downtown Nashville, have an evening down there. We'll take you with us. It'll be fun. Just got done eating at Chewy's for the second day in a row because it was so good yesterday. I got the beef burrito with the creamy jalapeno sauce. What'd you get, honey?
I got the deluxe chicken enchiladas.
And I'm telling you right now, the second day, the novelty hasn't worn off. It was still really good for me.
They still have to come to the East Coast.
Heck yeah, it was really good. What do you think, honey?
This is unbelievable. It's so much fun.
It really is. All the bands that you hear outside or inside are amazing. Just a fantastic evening out in Nashville to round out the day. It was absolutely awesome. Do me a favor, guys, check out Regan Live Laugh Love. Links in the description, and also please go out there, find your adventure, have a great day, and I will see you soon.